Honorable President of Annual Day Celebration, respected Chief Guest, Guest of Honor, Vice Principal of the school, Founder and Chairman of the school, Secretary Madam of the school, Assistant Executive of the school, parents sitting in the auditorium, teachers, non-teachers, and dear lovely students. Good evening to all. Now, myself, Samim Akhtar, I stand here to introduce our honorable guests, those who are recognized. First, the president of today's meeting is the Mr. Purnachandra Sahu, the principal of our college. He has been working as the principal since the day inception of this institution. He is a former teacher and also retired headmaster, having long teaching experience. He is a man of method and discipline. He gives proper guidance to our school teachers, especially in teaching. And then the chief guest of the celebration is Mrs. Pramodini Sahu, the inspector in charge of Valichandrapur police station. She is an eminent personality of this locality. We know that police job is a very difficult and hard job. Police personnel have to work around the clock for 24 hours. We are very much grateful to her that in spite of her busy engagement, she has found time to grace the occasion with her presence. The guest of honor today is Mr. Dilip Kumar Das. He is also a retired teacher and founder of an educational institution like ours, the Saraswati Shishu Vidya Mandir, Ratnagiri. The Vice Principal, Mr. Pratap Chandra Rautrai, sitting on the dais, is the also retired headmaster of nearby Valichandrapur Government Girls High School. He is a well-known person, very eminent personality also. He is a very experienced and talented teacher. And next to the founder and chairman of the group of institutions is Mr. Abhimanyu Malik sir. He is the real brain of our school. Then Mrs. Premolata Malik, the secretary madam of the school, is also sitting on the dais. She looks into the internal affairs of the school and maintains good relations with all employees. Then next to Mr. Devasis Mahapatra sir is the assistant executive of the school. He supervises overall activities of the teachers and functioning of the school. At the end, I congratulate all our guests who are giving their valuable time, and spectators also who are present in the meeting. And here I conclude here giving introduction of guests. Thank you all.
Thank you, Mr. Samim Akhtar, for your nice presentation. Now it's time to present the annual report of our institution by Miss Asanka Priyadarshini Samant.
Good evening everyone. Honorable Principal and Chairperson of the meeting, Purnachandra Sahu, Honorable Chief Guest, IIC Balchampur Police Station, Guest of Honor, Pratap Chandra Rautrai, Founder and Chairman of Saint Group of Institution Abhinandan Malik, Secretary Madam Srimati Pramila Malik, Assistant Chief Executive Officer Devashish Mahapatra, parents, guardians of students of the school, teachers, non-teaching staff of the school, and last but not the least, dear loving children of the school. This beautifully decorated, attractive stage, flooded with dazzling light and bedecked with colorful canopy, indicates a special day of the school. The annual celebration day, which the students have been waiting with eager. Today, the twinkling little stars of the school are prepared with a host of cultural programs to entertain you. On such an auspicious day, I welcome and congratulate you all for your gracious presence and take this opportunity to share with you the annual report of the school. Saint Joseph Public School, later converted to Saint Joseph Group of Institutions, started its glorious journey 14 years back in the year 2010 with opening of only 2 classes, nursery and LKG, and a few number of students which could be counted with fingertips. So far as the number of years is concerned, now the school, after surpassing its childhood, has attained its boyhood and running in full swing with classes from nursery to standard 1, touching the student population mark above 700. This spectacular growth of the school has been possible due to faith and confidence placed on us by the parents of our students. We are indeed and grateful to the parents for such unflinching faith and confidence. Children are the future of their parents. The safety and security of parents depends on the bright future of their children, and the bright future of the children depends upon proper education. We are all living in a global village where many changes are taking place within twinkling of an eye, throwing multiple formidable challenges in life. Keeping in view the changing need of time, children need to be given best education to face such challenges. Gone are the days when children were sent to Jatasalis for education. Now we are living in a global village where the scenario is ever-changing before us. To keep pace with the changing time, the education system also has undergone a sea change. To realize dream of parents to give their children the best education, we are making all out effort and leave no stone unturned to making anti-learning process fruitful. Now, all total 72 employees, 40 teachers and 32 non-teachers are working in the school. All the teachers are highly qualified, trained and experienced youngsters committed to the mission of teaching. Most of the teachers are young ladies who teach little children with motherly touch. Due to ever-growing students population, insufficient rooms for accommodation, and to avoid crowding situation, class 8, 9 and 10 have been shifted to another campus, that is campus number 2, adjacent to Nalipur Nodal Upper Primary School, and classes from nursery to standard 7 are running in the old campus, that is campus number 1. This session we have also opened standard 11 under Council of Higher Secondary Education CHSC with enrollment of 43 students. The school is running in 3 shifts, that is morning shift, day shift and day boarding shift. Morning shifts from 7 am to 10 am for nursery, LKG, UKG and standard 1. Day shift for standard 2 to standard 11 from 10:30 am to 2 pm. And day boarding shift from 3 pm to 5 pm for day boarders. Ours being an English medium school, most of the parents want to engage private tutors to teach their children beyond school hours. Since private tutors are not readily available in the area, we have started day boarding classes where interested students are taught from 3 pm to 5 pm with provision of lunch meal. The time ahead in coming from e-learning, where the learning will be totally paperless. For this knowledge of computer is a must. Keeping this in view, learning of computer has been introduced right from standard 1. In order to make the teaching and learning process attractive and interesting, the CAN system of smart classes with audio-visual provision are held regularly. Periodical, formative and summative examination, unit and monthly tests are regularly held to assess the progress of students in study. Homework and classwork are checked by teachers and notes are provided on topic taught. Co-curricular activities like debate competition, essay competition and drawing competition are held for the unfoldment of innate potentialities of students. Principal and vice principal regularly go for the supervision of classes and give necessary advice to improve their reading skill. Regular meeting of teachers and parents are also held where free discussion takes place regarding progress of students. In summer vacation, orientation training program for teachers are conducted by inviting experienced resource person. Annual sports, science exhibition, annual day celebration, Teachers' Day and Children's Day are occasions for merriment and amusement for the students. On such occasions, students have free access to their teachers and have opportunity to know them from close quarters. Such periods break the monotony of classroom teaching and invigorate students with freshen their mind with renewed energy. The administrative setup has been restructured with appointment of head teacher for different groups. They observe the performance of their group of teachers and submit report to principal and vice principal. In addition to this, an assistant chief executive officer is also appointed to make overall supervision for teachers and head teachers. Dear parents, education is a tripolar process. The three agents of education are teacher, parents and students. Students are receivers, whereas teachers and parents are givers. Education process cannot be complete without the active cooperation and participation of these three agents. So So let us put hands together and work in unison to realize our dream of making our children stand in life on their own feet. With thanks, I conclude the report. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Asanta Priyadarshini. Now it's time to present the annual report of our school in Odia, which is by Ms. Sasmita Malik.
प्रणाम शुभ संध्या शुभ्र उज्ज्वल आलोकमाला खचित चारु चंद्रातप सुसज्जित प्राण प्राचुर्य भरा सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम परिपूर्ण शुभ संध्यार ए मनोरम मनोज्ञ मंचरे अनुष्ठित हेबाकु जाउथिबा सेंट जोसेफ शिक्षानुष्ठान समूह वार्षिक दिवस उत्सव रे पौरोहित करुथिबा विद्यालयर अध्यक्ष पूर्णचंद्र साहू महाभाग वरेण्य मुख्य अतिथि सम्माननीय सम्मानित अतिथि विद्यालयर उपाध्यक्ष वरेण्य प्रताप चंद्र राउत महोदय विद्यालयर उन्नति कल्पे दिवानिशी एकाकार करी चिंता करुथिबा विद्यालयर प्रतिष्ठाता और चेयरमैन अभिमन्यु मल्लिक उदार चरितेषु विद्यालयर संपादिका श्रीमती प्रमीला मल्लिक महोदया विद्यालयर मुख्य कार्यनिर्वाही देवाशीष महापात्र महोदय दर्शक मंच और दर्शक मंच बाहर उपस्थित थिबा आम छात्र छात्री मानक प्रिय पितामाता अभिभावक गण विद्यालयर शिक्षक शिक्षयित्री शिक्षाकर्मी एवं सर्वोपरि स्नेहास्पद छात्र छात्री वृंद आजिर ए भव्य समारोह रे सम्मिलित आपण मानकु सादर स्वागत करिबा सह जणाउछि अनेक अनेक अभिनंदन। एही सुजोग रे मु आपण मानक सम्मुख रे उपस्थापना करिबाकु जाउछि विद्यालयर वार्षिक विवरण। आज बालीचंद्रपुर अंचलर एही प्रमुख इंग्रजी माध्यम शिक्षानुष्ठान एहार गौरवबह यात्रा आरंभ करे 14 वर्ष अतीत 2010 मसीहारे नर्सरी और एलकेजी भली मात्र 2 गोटी श्रेणी एवं हाथ गणती कतिपय छात्र छात्री मानकु ने संप्रति एहा शैशव अतिक्रम करी कैशोर रे उपनीत हेबा सह एक पूर्णांग शिक्षानुष्ठान रे परिणत होई चतुर्दिग को विद्यालोक विचुरित करि चलिछि। एहा केवल संभव होई परिछि आमर प्रिय पितामाता और अभिभावक मानकर अपुरंत स्नेह श्रद्धा और अविचलित विश्वास जोगु। एथिपाई आम शिक्षानुष्ठान सेमानक निकटरे चिर ऋणी और कृतज्ञ। आजिर शिशु कालिर नागरिक पिला माने ही हेउछंती पितामातांकर भविष्यत। पिलामानंकर उज्जवल भविष्यत उपरे निर्भर करे पितामाता मानक भविष्यत निराप। पिलामानंको उपयुक्त भावे गढ़ी तोलिबार एकमात्र माध्यम हेउछि शिक्षा। कहा जाए जे नॉलेज इज पावर, ज्ञान ही शक्ति। ज्ञानेन हीन पशु भी समान, ज्ञानहीन व्यक्ति पशु संगे समान। एजुकेशन ब्रिंग डिजायर चेंजेस इन बिहेवियर ऑफ ए मैन एंड मेक्स हिम ए कंप्लीट मैन। शिक्षा व्यक्तिर आचरण को संशोधित करी ताको एक पूर्णांग मनुष्य रे रूपांतरित करे। तेणु पितामाता माने सेमानकर पिलामानकु सेही विद्यालय को शिक्षा लाभ पाई पठांती जेउटिकी से माने उपयुक्त शिक्षा लाभ करी सदा परिवर्तनशील दुनिया रे आह्वान गुड़िको सामना करि पारिबे। चाटशाली रे पढ़िबार दिन सरी जाइछि। संप्रति समग्र विश्व एक ग्राम बा ग्लोबल विलेज रे परिणत होइछि। विश्वर कौनसी कोणरे घटुथिबा एक घटना तत्क्षणात अन्य स्थान रे प्रतिध्वनित होई उठुछि। एपरि परिवर्तनशील परिस्थिति सह खाप खुआई चलिबा पई शिक्षा व्यवस्था रे मध्य व्यापक परिवर्तन आसीछि। परिवर्तन को ग्रहण करी पितामाता पिलामानक पई दिबा स्वप्न को साकार रूप देबा निमित्त आमे मध्य विद्यालय रे समस्त आधुनिक व्यवस्था ग्रहण करिछु। शिक्षार मेरुदंड हेउचंती शिक्षक माने। लिखित परीक्षा, रिटिन टेस्ट, श्रेणीगृह शिक्षादान, क्लासरूम टीचिंग और व्यक्तिगत साक्षात्कार पर्सनल इंटरव्यू भली त्रिस्तरीय व्यवस्था माध्यम रे शिक्षक मानक चयन करा जाय केवल ग्रेजुएट और पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट डिग्रीधारी मानक नियुक्ति दिया जायछि। एबे आम विद्यालय रे मोट 40 जन शिक्षक और 32 जन कर्मचारी और प्रति 72 जन हेउचंती शिक्षा कर्मचारी। समस्त शिक्षक शिक्षयित्री पूर्व वर्ष अंतर्भुक्त उच्च तालीम प्राप्त अभिज्ञता संपन्न जेउ माने शिक्षादान प्रति अनुरक्त। विद्यालय वर्धित छात्र छात्री संख्या को दृष्टि रखी उपयुक्त स्थान भाव जनित समस्या और कोलाहलमय परिस्थिति को एड़ाइबा पई वर्तमान शिक्षादान कार्यक्रम 2टी परिसर बा कैंपस रे चालू अछि। पुरातन 1 नंबर कैंपस रे नर्सरी ठारू 7म श्रेणी पर्यंत एवं नूतन 2 नंबर कैंपस रे 8म श्रेणी ठारू एकादश श्रेणी पर्यंत शिक्षादान करा जाउछि। चलित शिक्षा वर्ष प्रारंभ 41 जन छात्र छात्री को ले उच्च माध्यमिक शिक्षा परिषद CHSE अंतर्भुक्त द्वादश श्रेणी खोला जायछि। संप्रति आमे अत्याधुनिक डिजिटल दुनिया अल्ट्रा मॉडर्न डिजिटल वर्ल्ड रे वास करूछि, जहा पई कंप्यूटर ज्ञान एकांत आवश्यक। एही आवश्यकता को दृष्टि रखी स्टैंडर्ड 1 ठारू कंप्यूटर शिक्षा प्रदान करा जाउछि। कोमलमती शिशु मानकर शिक्षादान को चित्ताकर्षक और हृदयग्राही करिबा पई दृश्य श्राव्य ऑडियो विजुअल आधारित ज्ञान प्रणाली प्रचलन करा जायछि। आम विद्यालय एक इंग्रजी माध्यम विद्यालय होइथिबारु अधिकांश पितामाता और अभिभावक विद्यालय समय बाहरे दिव्या थाई आवश्यक व्यवस्था डे बोर्डिंग सिस्टम प्रचलन करिछु। एही व्यवस्था माध्यम रे पिला माने अपराह्न 3टा ठारू अपराह्न 5टा पर्यंत शिक्षा ग्रहण करिथांती। एथि पई मध्य स्वतंत्र शिक्षक नियुक्ति होइछन्ती। युक्त 2 विज्ञान शिक्षा कार्यक्रम माध्यम रे दूर दूरांतरु आसी पढुथिबा छात्र छात्री को पाए रात्रि ग्रहणी आवश्यक नाइट बोर्डिंग रेसिडेंटल व्यवस्था मध्य रखा जायछि। पिला मानक मध्य रे थिबा लुकायित अंतर्निहित शक्तिर विकास पई नियमित भाबे तर्क प्रतियोगिता, डिबेट कंपटीशन, प्रबंध लिखन प्रतियोगिता, एसे कंपटीशन, चित्रांकन प्रतियोगिता, ड्राइंग कंपटीशन इत्यादि शिक्षा सहायक करा जाय। वार्षिक दिवस पालन, वार्षिक क्रीड़ा प्रतियोगिता, शिशु दिवस, गुरु दिवस, गणेश पूजा, सरस्वती पूजा, सारला मेला पालन अवसर रे पिला माने आनंद उपभोग करिबा सह शिक्षक शिक्षयित्री सह मुक्त भाव रे मिसिबार सुजोग पांती। परिवर्तित शिक्षा प्रणाली सहित अभ्यस्त करिबा पई प्रतिवर्ष ग्रीष्म अवकाश रे स्वतंत्र प्रशिक्षक मानको बाहरु अणा जाय शिक्षक शिक्षयित्री मानको प्रशिक्षण प्रदान करा जाय। सर्वोपरि शिक्षादान कार्य को फलवती करिबा पई सर्व प्रकार आनुषंगिक व्यवस्था करिबा पई आमे सतत चेष्टित। प्रिय पितामाता, शिक्षादान भली पवित्र कार्य एक त्रिकोणीय व्यवस्था। एही त्रिकोणीय व्यवस्थार 3 गोटी बिंदु को प्रतिनिधित्व करती शिक्षक, पितामाता और छात्र। शिक्षक और पितामाता दाता भूमिका रे थिबा बेले छात्र छात्री थांती ग्रहिता भूमिका रे। ए 3 प्रतिनिधिंकर पारस्परिक साहाय्य और सहयोग बिना शिक्षादान और ग्रहण कार्य संपन्न हेबा असंभव। तेणु आसंतु आमे समते सम्मिलित होई एही कार्य को साकार करिबा। सर्वशेष रे आपण माने धैर्य सहकारे मोर विवरणी पाठ को श्रवण करिथिबारु मु आपण मानको धन्यवाद पूर्वक विवरणी पाठ सांग करूछि।